Hey guys, welcome to George's dump trucking excavating vlog. Well, today I'm working on the bucket. I showed you the first part already of this video, and yeah, so this is the cutting edge installed. It's pretty simple and crude. It has a few strips of metal on the underside, nothing overly crazy. So just kind of using what I had, kicking around and such, and I found this piece of metal at work, so even taking the grinder to get a bit of an angle here for the cutting edge was very difficult. So I was going to bring some grater blade, and not grater, but snow plow cutting edge, you know, the edge they put on the bottom of the snow plow. I was going to bring some of that home, but it's just I didn't find what I wanted, and I was going through the scrap metal pile at work there, and I found this. And this, I know this is hardened steel, so pretty much tell you it for a fact. So anyways, just by the way it, I mean, just by the way it is. So yeah, so someone tried torching it, to cut it, used a torch to cut it, and even that had a hard time, so I know it's hardened steel. But yeah, I had a little bit of edge on there, which I'm pretty happy with. It could be a little better, but it is what it is, and I don't want to take it down too much. So there's about an inch of material here hanging out, and I think that'll be just perfect for that. So I mean, I have this little project coming up, and you know, I didn't want to go out and buy a new bucket for his project. I want to go out and spend more money, so I didn't have much of a choice, and I decided to do this. So this is very simple and crude, but the cutting edge, you definitely need to have hardened steel, because if it's mild, it'll just wear out like nothing, depending on what you're doing. You're probably asking why I didn't leave the teeth on there. Well, I'm going to be doing some landscaping and moving some shale around this on this people's property, and I really want to do a really nice job. And with the teeth on the machine on this bucket, I know I'd gouge everything, and I want to do that. We'll make it nice, clean, and simple as possible. So people are paying me really well for this project, so I'm going to try to do as best I can and such. So you know, one person sees you doing something, and next thing the neighbors get you to do something, and it just kind of snowballs, and next thing you know, you have a whole bunch of customers that want you to do little projects for them. So that's how you get going. So yeah, so anyways, it's kind of nice to have that. So anyways, I thought I'd show you that little update on that bucket edge there. So pretty simple and crude, but effective, and use what you got, sorta. Kick it on your shop to make what you need to make. Alright, thanks for watching my video, and if you have any questions, please remember to post that in the comments below. Remember to comment, like, and share my videos, and remember to hit that little button, or hit the little bell at the end of the subscribe, so you get new notifications when I put up new videos. So this is George's dump trucking excavating vlogs. Thanks for watching.